Good morning, all of you. Welcome to AISMS Institute of Information Technology. I, Dr. Badrinarayan Mahapatra, Assistant Professor, Instrumentation Department, welcome you to that lecture Sensor and Transducer. So, in Sensor and Transducer lecture, we will be discussing about level measurement. So, this level measurement, first of all, we have to know the different type of measurement like float level measurement, torque tube level measurement, differential pressure level measurement, and lastly we have to discuss about ultrasonic level measurement. So in the float level measurement, so in the left hand side one figure which will be represent that a person that lowers a float down into a storage vessel using a flexible measuring tap until the tap goes to the slack due to the float coming to the rest on the material surface. Obviously, this method of level measurement is tedious and may pose risk to a person conducting the measurement. So this is a very old method to measurement the level inside a tank, whether the tank which will be carried either liquid form or any other form. So that measurement which will be very tedious, and this is very old method. So next level of measurement is torque tube level measurement. So this will be based on Archimedes principle. So what is Archimedes principle? According to the Archimedes principle, it states that when a body is partially or completely immersed in a fluid, then it experiences an apparent loss in weight due to upthrust force, and this apparent loss in weight is equal to the loss of the weight of the fluid displaced by the immersed part of the body. The weight of the displacer will thus vary linearly. So here you can look at here in the left hand side, there will be one tank, and where that Archimedes principle which will be there. So the weight of the displacer acting on the torque arm. So due to that, there will be some linearly displacement inside that measurement, so that that measurement can be visible properly, that there will be certain level which will be increases in case of left hand side as compared to the right hand side. So from this one can easily understand that what is the level of that tank or vessel. So this is torque tube level measurement. So next is the differential pressure level measurement. In a DP transmitter, the diaphragm senses the head pressure developed by the height of the material in the vessel. So here we can look at here in the right hand side that figure which will be there. So in that figure there will be some minimum level, maximum level which will be shown in that tank outside, but the tank which will be open to the atmosphere. So the left hand side there will be one valve which will be connected, and very left to that valve there will be some DP transmitter which will be connected. So it will be applicable both for open and pressurized tank or vessel. So that can DP transmitter, or you can say differential pressure level measurement, can be possible to measure whether that tank which will be in the open case or it will be in the closed case. So the diaphragm senses the head pressure. So in the DP, that is differential pressure, so that will be generated by the diaphragm which will be senses the head pressure developed by the height of the material in the vessel. So this is basically cost effective, and it will be unstable process for the fluid density. If that density which will be vary, then the measurement also vary. So DP transmitter which will be very useful for measurement of level. Lastly, this is ultrasonic level indicator. So as we can see in the right hand side the figure, which will be some ultrasonic wave which will be passed inside the tank, and the tank which will be consists of some liquid level, and that ultrasonic wave which will be connected to a controller, and according to the instruction given to the controller, it will be give some instruction either to the alarm or some recording which will be going on there. So ultrasonic pulses that will be transmitted to the target liquid and reflected back to the transducer. Controller computes the echoes received by the transducer as per the program instructed to the controller. It gives the information to the alarm system. Advantages of ultrasonic level indicator: that it is easy to use, low cost, and non-contact type. So these are some different type of level measurements. Okay, thank you.